Question number 1. In this question, it is given that Ajay got X% marks on a test and failed by 45 marks. If he had received X plus 40% marks, he would have scored 15 marks more than the passing score. What is the difference between twice the value of passing marks and thrice the value of X? So let passing marks be, let us say P, okay, and let total marks be M. Okay, when you are solving in the CAT exam, actual CAT exam, you do not need to write all these things. You can just write in the sideways P, M, and can remember what values you have taken. So it will save a lot of your time. Okay, if we got X% marks, so X% of M, so X by 100 of M. He failed by 45 marks. So this is P minus 45. 45 less than the passing marks. Okay. If he had received X plus 40% marks, so you can write it as XM is equal to 100P minus 4500. Okay. Other thing is, if he had received X plus 40 marks, so X plus 40 divided by 100 of M, he would have scored 15 more marks than the passing score. So you can write it as XM plus 40M is equal to 100P plus 1500. Or you can write it as XM is equal to 100P plus 1500 minus 40M. So equation number 1 and 2, you can equate them. Plus 1500 minus 40M is equal to 100P minus 4500. 100p cancel. So 6000 is equal to 40M. So 414, 4520. So M is equal to 150. Okay. And what is the difference between twice the value of passing marks means 2 into P minus thrice the value of X? This we have to find out. Okay. 2P minus 3X. So M is equal to 150. Let us put it in this equation. So 150M is equal to 100P minus 4500. Or you can write it as 100P minus 150M is equal to 4500. 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled. 5 to 10, 5 3 15 and 5 9 45. So 2P minus 3M is equal to 90. 90 is the right answer. Okay. 2P minus 3X. Sorry. Here we are getting 2P. M is equal to 150. So sorry, this is 150X. Okay, this is X, this is X. So 2P minus 3X is equal to 90. 90 is the right answer. Okay, let's move it to the next question. Question number 2. It is Rohan's birthday and he wants to give chocolates to his 3 friends. Okay, he decided to distribute the chocolate based on how close the friends was. So let total chocolates be X. So to Amit, he gave half of his chocolates. So Amit, he gave X by 2 and 3 more. Then how much are remaining? X minus X by 2 minus 3 is equal to X by 2 minus 3. Okay. Then to Kiran, he gave 1/3 of the remaining chocolates. So 1/3 of remaining chocolates and 4 more. So this is X by 6 minus 1 plus 4. This is X by 6 plus 3. Then how much are remaining? X by 2 minus 3 minus X by 6 minus 3. So this is 6 if you take common. So 3X minus X minus 6. So this is 2X by 6. So X by 3 minus 6. These are remaining. Then to Mohit, he gave 1/4 of the remaining chocolates. So 1/4 of the remaining chocolates and 5 more. Okay. This can be given as X by 12 minus 6 by 4, 3 by 2 plus 5. Okay, so this is x by 12. Now this is 10 minus 3, so plus 7 by 2. Okay, now how much are remaining? Remaining are x by 3 minus 6 minus x by 12 minus 7 by 2. 12 common, so 4x minus x, and so minus 12 minus 7 by 2. So this is 3x by 12, 3, 4. So x by 4 minus 19 by 2. Okay. And how much is chocolate? Finally, he was left with one chocolate that he ate himself. So x by 4 minus 19 by 2 is equal to 1. So x by 4 is equal to 1 plus 19 by 2. So this is 19 plus 2 is 21 by 2 is equal to x by 4. 2, that implies x is equal to 2 to 4. X is equal to 42. Okay. Now, what was the ratio of the chocolate distributed to Amit, Kiran and Mohit respectively? Okay. So, x is equal to 42. So, Amit is 21 plus 3 is equal to 25. 24. Kiran is x by 6. So, 42 by 6 is 7 plus 3. So, this is 10. And Mohit is x by 12. So, 42 by 12 plus 7 by 2. So 42 by 12 plus 7 by 2. 6 to 12, 6, 7. So this is 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2. This is 7. So what is the ratio? Ratio should be 24 is to 10 is to 7. Option number A is the right answer. Okay, let's move it to the next question. Question number 3. A worker starts working alone on a construction project. On second day, the contractor hires 2 more workers with half the efficiency. Okay, like the efficiency of worker be RM. So on first day, RM works plus second day RM plus 2 more workers with half the efficiency, 2 into RM by 2. On third day, RM plus 2 into RM by 2 plus 3 more workers with 1/3 the efficiency. Okay, this goes up to 17 the day. Okay, if you check carefully, this will be RM plus 2 RM plus 3 RM plus 17 RM. Okay, and this is the total work. So RM 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 17, okay, is equal to W. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to the n is n into n plus 1 by 2. So RM into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to W. That implies RM is equal to, so 2, 9, 18, W by 17 into 9. This is RM. Okay. If instead 10 workers with same efficiency at the first worker work for the first 10 days, so 10 into RM into first 10 days, and 5 such workers work for the last 10 days. Okay, and on the remaining days, let the remaining days be n. So, and on the remaining days, the original worker RM into n work alone. How many days will the construction be completed is equal to W. Okay, so 100 RM plus 150 RM plus n RM is equal to W. So 150 RM, sorry, 250 RM plus n RM is equal to W. So RM into 250 plus n is equal to W. RM is equal to W upon 17 into 9 into 250 plus n is equal to W. So 250 plus n is equal to 17 into 9. So if you do 17 into 9, 919 and 15. So this is 153, and sorry, this is 50, so this is 150, 150, 150, 150. Okay, so n is equal to 3. Okay, so 3 more days, so 10 days plus first 10 days plus last 10 days plus 3 middle days, so this is 23 days. How many days will the construction be completed? Answer is 23. In 23 days the whole construction will be completed. Let's move ahead to the next question. Okay, A, B and C are hired to complete a project. On the first day only A and B work, so A plus B into first day. B and C work on the second day, B and C work on the second day. On the third day A plus C. On the fourth day A plus B. This pattern repeats till the project finishes at the end of the seventh day. So first, second, third, fourth, then fifth, then sixth, then seventh. Okay, at the end of the seventh day, this is equal to W. Okay, if A, B and C complete 50, 30 and 20% of the work, so how many A's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5A plus B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5B plus how many C's? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4C is equal to W. Now A completes 50% of the work, so 5A is equal to W by 2. A is equal to W by 10. And 5B is equal to 30% of the work, so 3 by 10 W. B is equal to 3W by 50. Okay. Now C completes 20% of the work, so 4C is equal to W by 5. C is equal to W by 20. Okay. How many days in which they can complete a project? That is 110% bigger. So 110% bigger means 2.11 W. Okay. If they all work together, so A plus B plus C into, let the number of days be T. So A is W by 10, B is 3W by 50 and C is W by 20 into T is equal to 2.11 W. Okay. Now if you take LCM as 100, so 10W plus 6W plus 5W into T is equal to 2.11 W. So W gets cancelled. So T is equal to 211 divided by 10 plus 6 is 16 plus 5 is 21. Okay, so T is 211 by how much is 110% bigger. So it is W plus 110 by 100 into W. Okay, so W 1 plus 1.1. So this is 2.1, not 2.11. This is 2.10. Okay, 2.10. So 210 is equal to 10. So they will require 10 days. The answer is, how many days in which they can complete the project? Answer is 10 days. Okay, let's move it to the next question. Traveling at 5/6 of the usual speed, Ravi reaches his office from his home 15 minutes late. So this is home, this is office. Let the speed of Ravi be S. Okay, let distance be D. So distance is equal to speed into time in normal circumstances. Now traveling at 5/6 of his usual speed, 5 by 6 of S, Ravi reaches his office from his home 15 minutes late. So this means T plus 15. Okay, this gets cancelled. So you can write as 5 by 6 T plus 15 is equal to T. So 5T plus 575 is equal to 60. So T is equal to 75. Okay. If he wants to complete the entire journey in 30 minutes, So distance is equal to s dash into 30. Okay, and distance is equal to speed into time, so distance is equal to 75s. So 75s is equal to s dash into 30. S dash is equal to 75 by 30 s. 5 6 30, 5 5 15, 3 2 6, 3 5 15 is equal to 5 by 2s. S dash is equal to 5 by 2s. By what vector should his usual speed increase? So s dash should be 5 by 2s, so 2.5s. So by a factor of 2.5. Option D is the right answer. Let's move it to the next question. Raju went to Mumbai from Pune by car, Pune and Mumbai. Okay, for some work. He traveled 75% of the distance, and distance is 240 kilometers. Okay, this is whole 240 kilometers. Average speed of the entire journey was 67 kilometer per hour. Okay, what was the average speed on the onward journey? Okay, let Raju speed be x kilometers per hour. Okay, he traveled 75% of the distance, so 3 by 4 of 240. 4 6 24, 6 3 18. So for 180 kilometer, distance is equal to, at a constant speed, distance is equal to speed into time, t1. Okay, so t1 is equal to 180 by x. Now how many kilometers are left? Only 60 kilometers. And increase the speed by 50% for the remaining distance. So for remaining distance, that is 60 is equal to, speed is 1.5 times x into t2. So t2 is equal to 60 by 1.5 is 3 by 2. Okay, x, so 3260, so 40 by x. This is forward journey. On return journey, Raju traveled 75% of the distance, so distance twice the original speed, 2x into t3. So t3 is equal to 90 by x. Okay, now original speed and the remaining distance at half of the original speed. Remaining distance is equal to half of the remaining speed. So t4 is equal to 120 by x. Okay, average speed of entire journey was 67 kilometer per hour. So speed is equal to distance upon time. That implies 67 is equal to total distance is 240 plus 240, that is 480, divided by t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus t4. So t1 is 180 by x plus 40 by x plus 190 by x plus 120 by x. Okay, so 67 is equal to 480 into x divided by 180 plus 40 is 220 plus 90 is 310. 310 plus 100 is 410 and 430. So x is equal to 67 into 43 divided by 48. Okay, now what is average speed on the onward journey? So during onward journey, average speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is 240 divided by t1 plus t2. t1 is 180 by x plus t2 is 40 by x. So this is 240 into x divided by 180 plus 40 is 220. So 240 by 220 into x is 67 into 43 divided by 48. Let me use the calculator. In CAT exam, you are allowed to use the on-screen calculator. Okay, 240 into 67 into 43 divided by 220 divided by 48. So answer comes out to be 65.47. So nearest integer is 65. 65 should be the right answer. Yeah, option number A is the right answer. So this is how you solve the time distance questions, a typical time distance question. Whatever questions which we are practicing today, these are one of the most important concepts of CAT exam, especially for quantitative aptitude. if you are able to solve these kind of questions easily, then you can easily see through the question paper of the CAT exam. Okay, so let's move ahead. Question number 7. Rajiv sold an apartment and a car and a furniture. Okay, now apartment selling price is equal to 27.5 lakhs. Now car selling price is 60 lakhs. Furniture selling price is 1.43 lakhs. Now he gets profit at 10%, 20% and 30% in any order. What was the overall profit percentage if Rajiv makes the least possible profit selling the 3 items? So to make the least possible profit, he has to assign 10% here, 20% here and 30% here. To the minimum assign maximum, to the maximum assign minimum, then only he can get least possible profit. Similarly, you can find out cost price also. So selling price is equal to 1.2 times cost price. Here selling price is equal to 1.1 times cost price. So selling price is equal to 1.3 times cost price. In my previous videos also I have taught you this concept. So cost price 1, cost price 2, cost price 3 you can find out. So total cost price you can find out CP1 plus CP2 plus CP3. Total selling price is SP1 plus SP2 plus SP3. Now total selling price is equal to X times total cost price. You find out the value of X. Let us say X comes out to be 1.12 something. So your profit percentage will be 12%. Okay, similarly you can find out. So I am leaving this question for your own practice. I hope you can solve it now. Let's move ahead to the next question. Okay. Mr. Natwalal invests 2 lakhs at a specific interest rate in a simple interest scheme for 1 year. Okay. So 2 lakhs at a specific interest rate, let the amount be 2 lakhs and interest rate be X%. After 1 year, he removes all the money. So after first year, interest is equal to 2 into X. He removes all the money. Then in second year, he invests in compound interest for 1 year. So for 1 year, compound interest or simple interest both is same, so 2x. Then third year, again he removes all the money and again invest in simple interest. So I is equal to again 2x. So total is 6x. And it is given that 6x is equal to 48,000. X is equal to, so 6x by 100 is equal to 48. So x is equal to 48, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 divided by 6, it is in lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is equal to 8. X is equal to 8%. Okay. Now what would be the difference between interest earned by keeping money for an entire period by compound interest and simple interest? So for compound interest, P dash is equal to P. Now P is 2. 1 plus 8 by 100, 1.08, the whole cube. Okay, and if you find interest, I dash is equal to 2, 1.08 the whole cube minus 1. This is compound interest. Simple interest will be I is equal to P into R into T 3. This is simple interest. Do the subtraction, you can find out the answer. It will come around to be 3942.4. This is also easy, so I am leaving it up to you. Let's move it to the next question. Okay, this is an important question and it will help you, I will guide you to clear your concepts as much as I can. From a 8-liter mixture, here milk and water are present in the ratio 4:1. So milk is 4 by 5 into 8, 1 by 5 into 8. So this is 32 by 5 and 8 by 5. This is milk and water. 2 liters of mixture is replaced. So minus 2 into 4 by 5 minus 2 into 1 by 5. So 32 by 5 minus 8 by 5. So this is 24 by 5. 8 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So this is 6 by 5. And 2 liter of water is replaced by 2 liter of mixture is replaced by water. So plus 2 is here. So milk is 24 by 5 and 5 to 10 and 16 by 5. This is milk, this is water. Okay, from another mixture from a volume of 6 liter, milk and water are in the ratio 2:3. So 2 by 5 into 6, 2 by 5 into 6, and 3 by 5 into 6. Okay, 1 liter is removed. So minus 1 into 2 by 5, minus 1 into 3 by 5. So 6 to 12 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So this is 10 by 5. So this is 2. And 18 by 5 minus 3 by 5. So 15 by 5. So this is 3. And 1 liter is replaced with water. So plus 1. So 2 and 4. This is milk. This is water. When the resulting mixture are mixed together, what is the ratio of milk to water? They are mixed together. So total milk will be 24 by 5 plus 2. 24 by 5 plus 2. So this is 10. So this is 34 by 5. Total water will be 16 by 5 plus 4. 5 4 20. So 26 36 36 by 5. We have to find out water to milk. So water to milk will be 36 by 34. So answer is 18 is to 17. This is the ratio final mixture. Okay, let's move ahead to the next question. A shopkeeper buys 3 kg of rock salt at a rate of 100 per kg. Okay, so 3 kg rock salt at a rate of 100 per kg. So cost price is equal to 300. To make more profit, he mixes rock salt with regular salt, which has a cost price of 10 per kg. So let regular salt mixed be equal to x kg. Okay. So total cost price is equal to 300 plus 10x. But total selling price is equal to 3 plus x, because he is selling at the same rate, into 100. To make deal more lucrative, he gave a discount of 20%. So into 0.8. Okay. And he makes a overall profit of 25%. So selling price is equal to 1.25 times cost price, 300 plus 10x. How much regular salt was mixed? So you have to find out x. So 300. So this is 80. This comes out to be 80. 8 3 24. So 240 plus 80x is equal to 1.25 into 300. So 375 plus 12.5x. So this comes out to be, this is 67.5x is equal to 375 5 4 7 4 3 3 2 1 1 2 x is equal to 2 kg. This is the right answer. Let's move ahead to the next question. Amit bought 1 physics, 2 chemistry and 3 math books at the rate of 2600. Next day he purchased 1 physics, 3 chemistry and 6 math book at the rate of 3800. We have to find out the price of physics difference minus 3m to the sum of chemistry plus 3m. Okay, so if you do subtraction, 2 minus 1, equation 2 minus 1, so c plus 3m is equal to 1200. This part you already got. So multiply equation number this by 2. 2p plus 6c plus 12m is equal to 0 0 to its 16. This is 7. Okay, and this is p minus 3m. Okay, so equation number 1 by 3. 3p plus 6c plus 9m is equal to 300 6 7. Okay, now equation number 4 minus equation number 3, you can get p minus 3m is equal to 200. Yeah, so p minus 300 by c plus 200 is equal to 200 by 1200 is equal to 1 by 6. 1 is to 6 is the right answer. Okay, now question number 12. It is also a very important question. X is equal to 2 plus 2 to the power 1 by 3 to the, okay. So x is equal to 2 plus 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3. X minus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3. Both side cube. So a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square. Okay, so a cube, sorry, so a cube minus 6x square, so plus 6x plus 6x minus 12 plus 12 minus 8 is equal to 6 plus 3 into this is 2 to the power 4 by 3 into 2 if you take common, so 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3. Okay, so this is x cube minus 6x square plus 6x plus 12 minus 20 is equal to 6 plus 6x, and here plus 6x is also extra, so 6x 6x get cancelled. So this part x cube minus 6x square plus 6x plus 12 is equal to 14. 14 is the right answer. This is how you play with the quadratic equations. So I hope we have done enough for today. I will be coming with a lot more videos. The questions are specially designed for the CAT 2024. They are going to be really helpful for you, and you can expect a lot many questions from the topic which I am teaching you. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I will come with a solution for sure. Bye bye.